Where are we? Huh? Where are we? Let's go pick some apples. Are these our apples? Oh, okay. Okay, please pardon my appearance. Let's not look at that. But anyways, I just made a coffee because I'm about to edit and I feel like every time I edit I just need a coffee. But I wanted to show you guys this cool little coffee snack that I've been doing lately. I don't have many left. Also, sorry if you can hear background noise. I'm making pasta as well, but these are just some little like waffles with caramel on the inside. And basically what you do is you take one out and you put it on top of your coffee mug. This is what the waffle looks like. So as you can see, there's like caramel on the inside. And basically you just put it on top of your mug, let it heat up, and it gets like super soft. It's seriously so good, you guys. That's the brand right there, Biscuit. And I actually got this at the dollar store for $2. But you guys, you seriously need to go try these. They are freaking amazing. All right, pasta is done. It honestly doesn't look that appealing, but I swear it's really, really good. I just made a tiny bowl, honestly, because I've been snacking all day. Sang is just up here relaxing. Hey, dude. Okay, so I am currently editing. I'm almost done one video, which is great. But I want to show you guys my cute little new notebook that I got. Can we just talk about her? How cute is she? Outfit of the day, I look so great. Old Navy sweater. And then we have the classic sweatpants. Just, I'm looking absolutely fantastic. No makeup, hair's a mess. Love it. Okay, so guys, I got a package. I figured let's just open it up together on camera. So this is from the brand TTDI. They're basically a brand that specializes in colored contacts. They reached out to me and they were like, we want to send you some goodies. And I was like, heck yeah. So they sent me this and we're gonna open it up together and see what's inside. First of all, sorry about this, okay? I did not put much makeup on this morning and I've been working all day and I basically look like a giant toenail, but that's okay. Anyways, let's open up the package. First of all, I just want to say this is probably the cutest package I've ever seen in my life. So, ooh, oh, this is so cute. Okay, so this is their little card. Just says their brand name on it. Let's see what we got in here. So on top, I see, what is this, a sticker? Oh, we got some tattoos, look at that. That is so cute. We also have some stickers in here. That is so adorable. That's me. Just a little tiny mirror. That'll be cute to just like throw in my purse or something like that. And then the main thing are the contacts. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly go through all the contacts that I picked out. So the first pack here, these are the HD gray contacts. So they come in just this kind of packaging like that. I picked up the HD brownness ones. I think that's how you pronounce it, brownness. Browness, I'm not really sure, but they're just like a light brown color. Then I picked out the Egypt blue ones. These ones looked really pretty online. And then last but not least, I picked out Queen Green. These ones I'm really excited about because I just think green eyes are like so pretty. And then you just get the cases to put them in. So unfortunately, I won't be able to try these on for you in this clip because you do need to put these in contact lens solution for I think it's like 7 hours, something around that. So I won't be able to try them on right now for you guys, but what I will do is insert a picture of me wearing them, and also you can just go on my TikTok because I'm definitely going to post some TikToks of me wearing these for sure. I don't know about anybody else, but I love getting packages. It's like Christmas time and it makes me so happy. I feel like a kid again. But yeah, thank you so much TTDI for sending me all these goodies. I do have a discount code if you guys want to go check them out. It's just Morgan01. I'll have it up on screen and I'll also have it in the description bar below, along with their website and all that. So yeah, if you guys are interested in some colored contacts, go check them out. I just want to show you guys how Tang sits on my lap when I'm filming. Are you comfy, sir? If you're ever wondering where Tang is when I'm filming, it's usually right here. I'm trying to film more vlog style footage because I did do a poll and I asked you guys, do you want to see more of that along with my regular content, of course, and pretty much everybody said yes. So I'm trying to film more like this. I'm not that great at it, I don't think, because to be honest, most of the time when I watch vlogs, they're usually doing something exciting and this and that. And majority of the time when I, take my camera out to do any type of vlogging. It's usually just me at home making a coffee. I just feel like my life is not exciting enough to vlog, but I am gonna try to include more content like this, just kind of more relaxed, I guess you could say. So if you guys are enjoying stuff like this, definitely let me know by hitting the like button so I can know to film more stuff like this. And if not, that's okay. I'll stick to my regular content. Okay, I took my makeup off. Honestly, I was just over it. I feel like there's a point in the day where you're just like, I don't want this makeup on my face anymore, and I hit that point. But anyways, I'm trying to decide what to do for supper. I'm thinking I'm gonna do like a cheese melt kind of thing on naan bread and do like some cherry tomatoes sliced on top with some minced garlic and maybe soup. And we'll see how that turns out, I don't know. Good morning guys, it is Sunday. I am having a pretty relaxed Sunday. I just got a video ready to upload that's going up at 1:30. Did a little bit of morning skincare, but that's about it. I don't like to do a lot of skincare in the mornings, to be honest. I pretty much just did my cleanser and then I did a like vitamin C serum on my face and it was actually really nice. And then I just followed up with a regular sunscreen, so. All right, so this is Tang's blanket right here. And then this is the blanket that I got for myself. What blanket do you think he decided to lay on? Mine. And he's so comfy. Tang. Oh, he is so cute. You're so cute. I actually wanted to show you guys this really cute little kind of flower centerpiece that's in my kitchen here. Look at how cute this is, you guys. This pumpkin here is from the dollar store. And these picks right here are from Walmart. This, I believe, is Marshall's, I think. And then the little greenery you see in the back is also from the dollar store. Look how pretty that is, you guys. We have a little bit of fall decor out so far. So on this little like entertainment center, we have this piece right here, which is actually, again, from the dollar store. And actually, so are these pumpkins right here too. Look at how pretty these are, you guys. I love the white one there. I think it looks so nice with that burnt orange, but I don't know. I love this little piece right here. I think it's so pretty. I think I'm gonna take this Sunday and honestly just like relax, to be honest with you guys. I have filmed so much this weekend and last weekend. I think I did, I don't even know how many videos I did, but I did a lot just so I could have a lot pre-recorded and just, I'm trying to upload more and be more consistent, but I've honestly just found myself being so tired lately. And I feel like I'm getting good sleep, but I just feel, I don't know, I just feel really tired. And I've been kind of slacking when it comes to Instagram posts. I've been actually really slacking, so I might take some content for that today. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know if I'm in the mood for that today, to be honest. I honestly just kind of feel like lounging around the house and not really doing too much. I feel like I choose to vlog on the days where I look absolutely gross. I don't know why, but I do. All right, I also just want to show you guys what I have in my room so far for fall decor. I can't speak. So I have this like kind of fall pick, and this is from Walmart. This right here is not really fall decor, but it's just a like lantern planter kind of thing. You can put a candle in it or like some flowers, and this is from HomeSense. Oh my goodness, could I be any more out of breath? These little wheat picks are from the dollar store, and when I say dollar store, I always mean Dollarama. So I have 3 in here. I have 2 of the brown and then 1 of this little like beige color. And then the little bottle that I have in it is also from the dollar store. This is from FabFitFun. This is actually a cardigan, and this is from the dollar store as well. And then you go up here, and again, this is not really my fall decor. I just have this up all year round, but this is from HomeSense. And there is a better look at that right there. And then you just come over here to my floating shelf, and actually my dad made me this. And the only kind of fall Halloween decor I have is this pumpkin right here, which again is from the dollar store. I don't really know about this yet, to be honest. I just had this pot here and there was nothing in it, so I took some like little lavender picks and just stuffed it down in there, to be honest. I don't know if I'm going to keep that or not. I'm not really sure. And this is just a kind of like plain stone little succulent. Then you come over here. Sorry guys, this is a little bit messy right now, but I basically just have this little pumpkin, and this is also from Walmart. Oops, I just moved it. This is from Walmart. These were actually incredibly cheap. I think this was $3.80, and also the pick that I have over there was also around the same price, but like really, really cheap. Yeah, and that's about it for fall decor right now. Don't have a lot out, but I don't really think I plan on doing much, to be honest. I don't want to go overboard, you know what I mean? So I just like the simplicity of this. All right, so I just felt like coming on here and doing a little Ipsy bag unboxing. This is actually gonna be my last Ipsy bag. I decided to cancel my subscription, and I kind of want to talk about that a little bit more also. By the way, please excuse my bed. It's not made right now. Tang decided to lay down here, so I didn't really get the chance to make it yet, but let's just ignore that. But anyways, yeah, I decided to cancel my Ipsy bag because for me it is, I think it's $23 a month because I am Canadian, and for probably like the past, I don't know, I want to say 4 or 5 months, I've just been like really disappointed in the bags. I just feel like I'm paying 23 bucks a month for little samples, and I don't know, it just felt like a big waste of money to me. I kind of feel a little bit sad doing it because Ipsy was like the first ever subscription bag that I ever got. So it's, you know, it's a little sad that I'm not going to be receiving them anymore. But honestly, I've just been really disappointed in them. Like I really cannot remember the last bag that I truly enjoyed, which sucks. So you know what, it's really not worth it anymore. But I figured I'd come on here and go through this one here. So one thing I'm really gonna miss is the bags, because I really do enjoy the bags. You get a different one every month. And this one's actually really cute. So it's got like the burgundy and this like really nice yellow right there. I made the decision to cancel it probably like 2 weeks ago. At first I was like, you know what, I'll do every other month, so I'll skip a month. And then I was like, you know what, it's still not even worth it. So I just went ahead, totally canceled it. But anyways, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So I have already went through this, and I actually have tried out 2 things here, or actually 3 things. So the first product here is a little like lip pencil, or like a lip crayon, and this is by the brand Mayel, and it's the Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips. And I actually am wearing this today, and honestly I do like this product. It's like a really creamy, like nudie pink lip pencil. It's actually really nice. And I mean, I don't mind this size of sample, like this is a pretty good sample, but then you get samples like this tiny little mascara. This is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. I think in this entire bag, I really only got like 1 full-size product. Tried this today. It's all right. I didn't notice too much of a difference from my actual mascaras. Sorry guys, cannot speak as always, but yeah, that's what it looks like right there. Really cute packaging. The mascara I've been using is actually the one that I received in my, what was it, my advent calendar. It's the Anastasia one, and that one's really, really nice. That one is a deluxe sample as well, but I love it. It works so well. Next we have the Verified 2020 Eye Cream, and I've never heard of this brand. I do like the packaging on it though. It's really pretty color. But again, we've just got another like small sample. I do already use like an eye cream. It's actually a serum. It's by the brand Ordinary, and I use that one every single day. It's awesome. I really highly recommend it, especially if you have dark circles. So I will give this one a go and try it out. Okay, this is actually the full-size product in the bag. So this is the Endless Silky Eye Pen by Pixi, and it's just a regular, you know, eyeliner, and it's in the shade Black Caviar, but it's actually a brown liner. So I don't know if there was like a mistake in the shade name or whatever, but it is actually a brown liner. I'm wearing this today, and I actually do like it. I don't really own too many brown liners, so this one's pretty nice. And last but not least, we have the Derma E Advanced Peptides and Collagen Serum. So again, another sample size. This one is not too bad of a sample, I guess. I'm definitely gonna give it a go and try it out. I do enjoy products that have collagen in them, and I love serums, so I'm gonna give this one a go and see what it's like. But yeah, that was everything in this month's Ipsy bag. This is the September bag. I hate being negative or giving a bad review about any brand or product, but unfortunately I am gonna be honest, and I really just don't think Ipsy's worth it, to be honest. I mean, if you watch my channel, I do quite a few unboxings now about different subscription bags and boxes, and I just feel like there's so many other brands that are way better than Ipsy. For a better price, you get a lot more products out of it. They said in the card here that this is, everything in here is worth, just give me a second. Your 5 glam Your 5 glam bag products are valued at $50 plus. So they list all the products here on the sheet, and they obviously say, you know, it's a deluxe sample, but they don't give the price for the deluxe sample. They give the price for the full-size version. So for that collagen serum, they say the full-size version is $36.50, but I didn't get the full-size version. I got the deluxe sample. So, you know, how much is this worth? One thing I can't stand though is wasting money, and I gotta say, I honestly do feel like this is a waste of money. It's definitely not worth it in my eyes anyways. Like I said, 23 bucks a month, that's pretty nuts for mini size products. I have no idea what this vlog is going to entail, you guys. It's probably just gonna be a bunch of different clips. I feel like that's probably the best way for me anyways to do vlogs. I also wanted to show you guys this super cute package that Fanola sent me. It is so cute, guys. There's me. When I saw that, I was like, that is so funny. And then this is what the inside looks like there. It actually came with more products, but I've been using them and they're seriously amazing. But these are their purple shampoo and the mask. So the mask and the shampoo right here, which I haven't used yet, but I'm so excited to use them. I think I'm gonna do a video on these. So here's a bunch of boxes, the advent calendar, there's another beauty box up there, another one, and then one behind there, which I've already done videos on everything here, but I just need to put everything that's inside away. I say this all the time, and please let me know if you're the same way, but I always feel like I have no room for anything. Like when it comes to putting stuff away, I'm like, where is this all gonna go? I might also just clean up today as well, because my room could use a good dusting and a good mop for sure as well. I feel like no matter how much I mop, I always find that my floor is like full of footprints and this and that. I don't know why. I just feel like I never can get a good, clean, shiny floor, and it bothers me.